Alright, this is a unboxing of a PolyPro 3 Class B cover. This is a Model 2, 20 to 23 foot, 22 foot 9 inches by 7 feet by 8 feet approximate, 7 feet wide, 8 feet tall. I actually have a slightly larger RV and I'm hoping this will fit. Okay, so first steps, let's check it out. It's actually quite light, which is arguably good or bad, I don't know. Alright, there it is. Alright, so this is kind of a similar material as to the case. This is kind of, well actually no, that looks like more of a polyester cover to it. So it feels like a mesh with the cover on it. Comes with a bunch of straps. So and looks like some bags to hold the straps. That's not bad. So these straps here are your basic straps. These are plastic, not exactly the highest quality. I don't know how well those will last over time. So standard straps like that. Guess they clip into the female ends on this sucker right here. So let's look at up close here what this material looks like as best we can. So as you can see here, so this is a kind of I don't know, it feels a little plasticky, a little papery, fibery kind of feel. It does not feel extremely durable. We'll see how well this survives Arizona heat. Parts of it have this kind of mesh as well. Not exactly super thick material here. So it feels like it's probably quite translucent. It feels quite breathable, if anything, as well. So, all right, let's get it on there. See what it looks like. The camera died while recording, putting the cover on, but I hope you get the general idea. This is probably the cheapest RV cover available on Amazon. We paid $169 for it. The material feels like that of a premium, quote-unquote, grocery store bag, the kind you'd buy at Waldo's for your free-range, dolphin-safe eggplant. My hope is that it is tear-resistant because I poked a hole in it for the antenna. Perhaps in the future, I'll be able to show a follow-up video to see how it survived the Arizona summer. Alright, here it is. We initially put it on backwards, and that was confusing. Should have guessed that the logo was in front. And in general, it covers up most of the body. Doesn't go all the way around there, but pretty damn close. As you can see, it's got these 5 strapping points there. There's also strapping points up above as well, which we're not really using right now. I don't know if we need to. It does have a good amount of breathability. There's these little, I don't know if you can see it there, little vents. It's pretty translucent. You can still see through this. I don't know if the expectation of this stuff is to be a lot thicker, and we bought a cheap one. But this is temporary for now until we keep building out the space for it. So I think it's okay that it's a little bit weak. It's definitely better than what we had before, which was 0, nothing, nada. The back looks a little kind of goofy. Wish I could do something better about that, but honestly, I think overall this is it's gonna hold us through the Arizona summer. And you know, our Arizona summer, that's our winter, so this thing isn't gonna be doing much here. We might take it out to state a couple times, but for the most part, it's just gonna be hanging out here, getting some Z's. All right. Don't know what else to say about it. I think for the purchase, it's got the zippers, which are a nice feature. We could use that to easily gain entrance here to the cab, or the engine perhaps. Probably need to look into some tire covers in addition to the actual cover. But overall, not a bad little cover. Alright, thanks for watching.